Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide jobs and internship opportunities for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video, we will be discussing about the 5 off-campus full-time opportunities from Raytheon Technologies, Hoichio, Tata Motors, Valeo. This is a direct freshers hiring. There is no percentage criteria. So this is a freshers hiring, so you must apply. First hiring update is from Valeo. So this is a direct hiring opportunity where they are hiring fresh engineers for their Electronics Technical Center at Chennai location. So the candidates who are passing out in 2023 with a BE BTech in EC or EEE degree or ME MTech in Power Electronics or EEE degree, they can apply for this opportunity. So this is a direct walk-in drive recruitment for all the freshers candidates. If you will be shortlisted, then you will be hired as an intern initially, and after that you will be offered the full-time opportunity. So the date and venue of the walk-in drive is on 2nd June 2023, which is on Friday from 9 am to 10:30 am at St. Joseph College of Engineering, which is in Chennai. So you don't have to fill any of the Google form related to this drive. You can directly reach the venue as per the timing mentioned. And you must carry your college ID card, government ID proof and your mark sheet from class 10th to graduation. Second hiring update is from Hoichio. So talking about the company, Hoichio is a video streaming entertainment platform for Bengalis where they make content related to Bengali movies, Bengali documentaries, short films and web series. Hoichio is hiring for Kotlin developer at Calcutta location. So talking about the qualification, then you should be having your bachelor's degree in computer science or related field with experience from 1 to 2 years in Kotlin development. You should be also having a knowledge related to OOPS concept, data structures and algorithms and a hands-on experience related to Android Studio and Kotlin. So if you are an app developer and have experience related to Android Studio and Kotlin, then you must apply for this opportunity. Third hiring update is from Tata Motors. This is also a direct hiring process where Tata Motors has invited for their lead interior designer, where you can directly send your resume at design.recruitment@tatamotors.com. So you don't have to fill any of the forms related to this recruitment. You just send your updated resume in the mail ID which is mentioned. Fourth hiring update is from Raytheon Technologies. Raytheon Technologies is hiring for test engineer for Bangalore location. So talking about the qualification, then you should be having your BE BTech, ME MTech from Electrical, Electronics or Instrumentation Engineering with experience from 1 to 4 years. As they are hiring for the test engineer role, then you should be having experience related to test equipment where you will be required to test the equipments. You should be also having experience in using the tools like AutoCAD and MS Office. Fifth hiring update and the last hiring update for this video is from Bitsilica. Bitsilica is hiring for their BDO role, which is known as Business Development Executive role, with experience from 0 to 2 years for Bangalore location. So to apply for this opportunity, you must be having your bachelor's degree in any of the fields or branches with excellent communication skills. So if you are interested for this role, then you can send your updated resume at the mail ID mentioned. So friends, one thing I want to mention that there are many opportunities in LinkedIn where many of the candidates see that there is a recruitment and they just comment that I am interested for this role. So I must say that please don't mention that I am interested because by mentioning I am interested, you won't be getting hired. So basically, you have to send your resume to the mentioned mail ID or you have to fill the Google forms as mentioned in the hiring. So these were the 5 hiring opportunities where you must apply according to your eligibility and criteria. And you can also share with all your friends, those who are in search of off-campus job opportunities. And friends, there are many more hiring updates which I will be posting in this YouTube channel. So you must subscribe to this channel to receive latest off-campus job updates. Thank you.